Here's everything you need to know about the 2025 Cadillac CT5-V Blackwing in just 5 minutes. This might just be one of my favorite handling cars in 2025. I'm not even gonna lie. This joint just gives you everything you want and need out of a car like this. And it's even fun in a straight line. What more you need? Not only do you got a V Blackwing badge on the rear trunk lid, we also got one on the side and an air outlet right below it that looks real legendary. We got 19-inch rims on all 4 corners, wrapped up in 275/35s in the front and 305/30s in the rear. And it's no wonder why them tires look that good, is because we got that Barrett's Automotive Magic tire sheet on them things. Click the link below in the description and make your tires look this good. Now this might appear as a small sedan on the outside, but look at my headroom and legroom at 6'10". So clearly it's way bigger on the inside than it looks on the outside. Now we got an LED light show that pops up every single time you come to your car or leave your car for both the headlights and tail lights. And we have all these massive air intakes in the front grille and on the bottom to feed that massive supercharger to give you all that performance. We got 0 to 60 in 3.4 seconds and it has a hard time hooking up because we got that rear wheel drive understanding coming from that supercharged V8 giving us a top speed of 200 miles an hour. Now if you got trouble finding your door handles at nighttime, you got LED lights on all 4 door handles and keyless entry on both front doors. Not only is this a Blackwing, but it's a carbon fiber Blackwing, giving it a whole new legendary meaning along with a carbon fiber front lip splitter. Now you can open the trunk from inside the car, you just can't ever close it. You gotta get out manually and slam that thing like they did back in the day. Now, as y'all can tell, it's been raining a lot out here in Southern California lately, so I've been having to wash this car a whole lot. But good thing I got that Barrett's Automotive Sensational Shampoo and Foamtastic Wash and Wax to keep this joint extra greasy and extra clean all day, every day. Click the link below in the description and get yours now. We got an 8kg sound system that had you in this joint fist bumping. Like you straight out of Jersey Shore, man. We got a black diffuser along with a quad exhaust that sounds real legendary when you hear that thing spark up. Only the driver gets memory seats up in this whip. They ain't even thinking about the passengers. We got a leather wrapped heated steering wheel with carbon fiber and a V on the bottom of that thing. And you even have a V button to skip all the extracurriculars and get straight to the performance of this whip. Not only are these seats legendary in design, but they're also massaging seats while being heated and cooled with big bolstering while still staying comfortable. And even the cushion on the thigh extends in and out whenever you want. Now in the middle, you got all of your analog climate controls that are digital, super easy to use and responsive. And right below that, you got 360-degree of camera angles, man. Now in the center console, you get a little small storage space, a wireless phone charger, 2 cup holders behind a retractable door, a vertical standing phone slot along with a leather wrapped armrest with a ton of space and 3 chargers. Flip this switch right here in front of the gear shifter anytime you want to change your drive modes from Tour, Sport, Track, Snow, Ice, and My Mode. Now Cadillac even decided to give you PDR, which pretty much allows you to record all of your drive time, track times, and anything else you want, however you want, whenever you want, by simply just plugging up an SD card. We got a high resolution, massive, legendary curved infotainment screen that's shared with a digital gauge cluster and your heads-up display controls on the left side. But your infotainment screen controls things such as your Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, vehicle status, which displays your maintenance, battery voltage, and fuel economy. And you can even schedule your next Cadillac servicing appointment right here through My Cadillac. You even have Alexa, 2 different themes you can choose from with your infotainment screen, ambient lighting with a bunch of colors to choose from. And you even have a performance page that showcases your horsepower, torque, boost, G-forces, and tire pressure in real time. We got carbon fiber on the center console, door panels, and even on the passenger side dash. And we even got a glove box with a ton of space. Now, although your boy is squishing this backseat, I'm not even gonna lie, this is the best view in the house with these carbon fiber bucket seats. And you even got a neck tattoo with a V on that thing. And you even get 2 air vents back here along with 2 chargers, a leather wrapped armrest with 2 cup holders, lock and unlock buttons, and you even get 2 reading lights back here, even though I don't think you're gonna be doing no reading no time soon. Now this trunk space is actually pretty abundant. And if you want even more storage space, just lift up the floorboards, and you even got a side cubby space for storage to lock some items in place along with tie-down straps. Now, although it may not look like it with me sitting back here, if you scoot these front seats forward, you can pull a tab and lay down these back seats. Now under the hood, we got a 6.2-liter supercharged V8, giving you 668 horsepower and 659 pound-feet of torque, paired nicely with a 10-speed automatic transmission, giving you 13 miles per gallon in the city and 22 on the highway. In 2025, you get a car that looks this good with all this performance and all these luxury amenities, carbon fiber, and all of that for under $100,000. Now that's everything I think you need to know about the 2025 Cadillac CT5-V Blackwing in just 5 minutes.